Techfest team. I am Amush Sharma,
I'm Naveen Kumar.
and
I'm Kushagra Bhandari.
and together we are Team VisionX. We have applied for the Techfest AWS ImpactX challenge under the domain of healthcare and well-being, and our theme is generative AI for clinical intelligence. So let's get started with what we are building. Our project is RAD-ETHIX, Radiology the Ethical Way, a zero-hallucination generative AI radiologist. Now, RAD-ETHIX is a generative AI-powered radiology system that detects chest diseases in seconds and auto-generates hospital-ready medical reports using verified medical knowledge with zero hallucinations. Now, to explain the core problem, which will be explained by Naveen Kumar. Now,
The real problem is India's radiology crisis. According to global standards, there should be one radiologist for every 25,000 people. But in reality, in India, there's only one radiologist for every 130,000 people. This results in overworked doctors, delayed report generation, missed early diagnosis, and preventable treatment delays. The time bottleneck is also one more concern. After the x-ray is taken, patients often wait for 24 to 72 hours just for the reports. In emergency cases, these few hours can decide life versus death. Now, my teammate Kushagra Bhandari will explain why existing AI is not enough.
Why existing AI is not enough. It only gives disease labels, not a proper medical explanation, no structured report generation, high hallucination risk, and still depends on manual radiologists. Core problem statement: India does not just lack radiologists; it lacks a system that can instantly convert X-rays into trusted, explainable, hospital-ready medical reports at scale.
so that was the problem statement. And here's where a solution called RAD-ETHIX comes into place. So RAD-ETHIX is a generative AI-powered radiology assistant. So that detects 18 chest diseases in under 5 seconds. So we have used an ensemble for deep learning, and we have used the CHE expert dataset, which would have over 224,000 images. Now using generative AI with RAG, so it generates the radiology medical grade reports, and it explains diseases clinically and assigns the risk severity and such as follow-up and referral actions. It also gives the structured reports for doctors, which ends up saving a lot of time. For this, we contacted doctors from JSS University, Mysore, and we asked them for the real problems. And this is where they told that the report generation and identification and explainable AI are things which are lacking. And this is where a generative AI powered radiology assistant comes into picture. Now, my friend Naveen Kumar will talk about the brain of RAD-ETHIX.
So the brain of RAD-ETHIX. RAD-ETHIX is built using retrieval augmented generation to ensure zero hallucination and only verified medical knowledge. How a Gen AI engine works. Ensemble models detect the disease and generate GradCam heat maps. And the medical knowledge retrieval retrieves the medical knowledge from vector database. LLM processing is done using AWS Bedrock. The Gen AI system automatically generates full radiology medical reports, disease explanation, risk severity, and emergency alerts. Our MVP statement. Our ML models are the eyes and our generative AI is the brain and voice, the true MVP of RAD-ETHIX.
Now, my friend Kushagra Bhandari will talk about the feasibility proof and the overall system flow.
For frontend, we have used React.js, drag and drop X-ray upload. For backend, we have used Node.js plus Express.js API handling. For machine learning, we have used three machine learning models: DenseNet, ResNet, EfficientNet v2. Database system, we have used MongoDB, which is a vector-based database. Generative AI, we have used AWS Bedrock, which is an LLM. Deployment, we have used AWS OpenSearch.
Thank you. And now, why RAD-ETHIX is better than existing solutions. So the existing solutions stop at only detection for chest X-rays, no explainability, no grad cams, nothing of that sort. A delay. However, RAD-ETHIX has detection plus clinical reasoning, full AI-generated reports with zero hallucination because we are using medical literature and explainable AI with the grad cams and reports in seconds, which are helpful for doctors. Our vision and impact. So reduce diagnosis from 2 to 3 days under 5 seconds. Give it to the public so that they can use this and make India better. And this aligns with our views with all of the existing medical healthcare situations. So our final power line is RAD-ETHIX replaces static AI detection with real-time, explainable, and trustworthy generative AI clinical intelligence for India's healthcare crisis. Now, finally, uh, so thank you all. This was our team, VisionX, and our product is RAD-ETHIX. This is S. Naveen Kumar, Umok Sharma, and Shahid Bandari. Thank you.